Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 and it is the January update. So this is the first security update from Samsung in 2025. To check out this update, you will have to go into your settings and from here you have to scroll down and search for this software update. Now you will have to click on this software update. Now you have to select download and install. After tapping on download and install, you will get to see a new update is available. Talking about what's new, so the security of your device will be improved with this update. Also, device stability improvements and the bug fixes are included with this update. Talking about the update size, so it is 432 MBs in size and it is the January 1st 2025 security patch level. To download this update, you will have to tap on this download option and the download process will begin. After downloading this update, you will have to install it on your device. Also, the One UI 7 Beta 3 is now out, so if you have installed it on your device, do let me know in the comment section that how it is running on your device. And are you enjoying the One UI 7 Beta version or not? So finally the update is downloaded. Now you just have to simply install it. To install it, you will have to tap on this install now option, but keep in mind that you will be unable to use your device during the installation process. And this installation process will take time, so make sure to install it on your device when your device is completely free. After tapping on install now, your device will restart and it will optimize the One UI apps. This installation process will take a time, so I will quickly fast forward this part of the video. And once the installation process is complete, your device will automatically restart. And that's it, the update is finally now installed on your device, and now when you will see in the download and install, you will get to see that your device is up to date on the latest version of January 1st 2025. As you can see, your device is on the January 1st 2025 security level with the latest update. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new security update from Samsung that was available to download that you guys might be missing out. So do check out this update on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your device or not yet. Also, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new updates.